Welcome! Today I'm tackling a common gas dryer issue, replacing a faulty thermal fuse in my Maytag Bravos XL gas dryer. A thermal fuse is a safety device that cuts power to the dryer if it gets too hot, preventing overheating and potential fires. The cost for an OEM part seemed to vary, and I found the range to be $30 to $100. Maytag replacement parts, $92. Repair Clinic, $70. Appliance Parts Pro, $67. Genuine Replacement Parts, $36. Parts Advantage, $34. Amazon, $32. The tools I used for this repair: a 1/4-inch socket, a Phillip screwdriver, a T120 Torx or star-shaped bit, a small flathead, a new thermal fuse. The part number for this dryer is W10909685. And don't forget a magnetic bowl to keep those screws in check. I didn't have a magnetic bowl, so I placed a few magnets on the bottom of a metal cat dish and created a makeshift magnetic bowl. Before I got started, I made sure to unplug the dryer and turned the gas supply leading to the appliance to the off position. Step 1. Removing top rear panel and bulkhead bracket. Underneath the bulkhead bracket cover are 2 screws that need to be removed in order to lift the lid. Step 2. Removing top cover and door. There are 4 screws on the bottom of the dryer that I needed to remove. I found it helpful by tilting the dryer back and supporting it with an apple box, but it's not necessary. Opening the dryer door, I used a Phillip head screwdriver to remove the 5 screws holding the front cover. I pushed the lid back first and then lifted it upward, carefully resting it on the dryer vent. To prevent any sliding, I positioned the bottom of the lid behind 2 screws. Next, I grabbed the T120 star bit to remove the 4 screws on top. Next, I disconnected the door wire. To remove the front cover, I used a small flathead screwdriver to lift the door over a small metal stop, which kept the door from falling. Step 3. Removing the lint duct assembly. There were 4 screws holding it in place. Step 4. Cleaning and maintenance. Before replacing the thermal fuse, I took the opportunity to clean the dryer's exhaust vent to prevent future overheating. Vacuum the lint from the fan and ductwork. Step 5. Replacing the thermal fuse. The thermal fuse is located next door to the dryer thermistor. Unscrewing the mounting screw, I pulled out the old thermal fuse, noting the red wire next to the mounting hole. I disconnected both wires and reconnected to the new thermal fuse. Then securely installed the new thermal fuse with the screw. Step 6. Reassembling the dryer. Reassembling the lint duct, I made sure to fit the rectangle shape into the lint catcher first, then began to screw it back into place. Placing the door back into place, I reconnected the wire, then began securing the front cover. Next, I grabbed the T120 star bit, the 4 screws on top. Closing the lid, I left a gap in the front, then pulled the lid forward. Tilting the dryer backwards, I reconnected the 4 screws at the bottom. Finally, I reattached the back brackets. turn the gas back on, and plug the dryer back in. With these few steps, I successfully replaced the thermal fuse in my Maytag Bravos XL gas dryer. Thanks for watching, and happy repairing.